Hey everyone, Eric here and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to what I hope to be a long and amazing series. I'm making a Public.com public dividend portfolio. You've probably seen these types of videos before on YouTube, especially if you've been a long-time subscriber to financial YouTubers. One particular YouTuber that I remember watching all the time in the past was Joseph Carlson's YouTube channel, where he's documented his dividend portfolio journey for what seems to be about 3 years now. And the reason why I've decided to go with Public.com instead of other reputable investment platforms is one, hopefully if this becomes big, Public.com will become a long-time sponsor, and two, that Public.com offers a almost social media-like aspect where you can view anyone else's investment portfolio. Well, sort of. You can see what they're personally invested in, but what you can't see is how much of each individual stock one person has. So what I hope to achieve from this portfolio is for you guys to be able to see what I'm doing with my Public.com public dividend portfolio at any time, and when the time comes, to watch my update videos on YouTube to find my reasoning behind each purchase. I'll also be incorporating a trend that is common on YouTube and gaming channels. I'll be starting with $500 and seeing where it takes me. But the common question that's probably going to be asked is, but wait, Eric, how are you going to be funding this portfolio? So besides those of you out there that have been living under a rock for the past 2 months, you've probably seen a video or a mention of one about Ryan Trahan and his attempt to cross the United States, starting from California and ending in North Carolina, my home state, to give Mr. Beast a penny. All the while starting out with just a penny. And I don't remember particularly when Ryan started to do this, but he mentioned a dog walking, dog sitting app called Wags, and he used that to earn some money. So a combination of me never being able to own a dog because I'm Asian and I have strict Asian parents, and the fact that it seemed like a great side hustle, I decided to sign up. Unfortunately, Ryan's popularity precedes him, and I was immediately hit with a more than 30-day waitlist page. So I did the next best thing and I Googled other dog sitting apps, and lo and behold, I found Rover. So yeah, I signed up, got my background checked, and now I pet sit mostly dogs. Like here's Marie, Atmos and Bailey, Kobe, and Arya, and the occasional cat as well. Here's Agave. So to answer the original question, Rover will be funding this dividend portfolio. Any money that I make through Rover, aside from a set amount that I push to the side for tax purposes, will be then funneled into this account. And so here's a bit of what you should expect from this dividend series. 1, an update to what dividend stock I bought and why I bought it. 2, potential education like content such as what are dividends and what is compounding interest. And 3, cute videos and pictures of pets I pet sat in between videos, as well as documentation of all the different pets that I will pet sit throughout this series. So yeah, feel free to follow me on Public.com. If you don't have a Public.com portfolio yet, all the big finance YouTubers are sponsored by it, so I'd like to say it's a good platform. My username is Eric G Fintech, and also if you want to be a supporter of this series, make sure to use my personal referral links down in the descriptions down below, where when you sign up, you and me both will get free stock in a company of our choices. And oh, make sure to subscribe as well, so that you don't miss out on updates about all the cute pets that I'm pet sitting, as well as get to see updates about my dividend portfolio. So with that, cheers to a new series. Welcome to the dividend portfolio. Thank you for watching as always. Stay safe out there, everyone. Peace.